So at the end of this video, I'm going to share with you top 7 features that makes Telegram better than WhatsApp. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. Don't forget to like the video, share to anyone you think this is going to be helpful to them. And without further ado, let's just dive into the video. WhatsApp do give us the chance for us to archive chats and probably make them hidden from our main page of our chat. But with Telegram, you are entitled to just archive the chat and also hide the chat from people who probably will just pick up your phone and then want to just scroll through your chats and then read them or something. So in order to just get your chat archived, you're going to swipe to the left like this, and then you tap on archive chat, and you're going to see the archive chat at the top right here. So what you're going to do is you're going to swipe to the left like this and then tap on hide this way, and your chat is hidden. So you are the only owner of the phone, and you probably know how you've archived your chats, and the only way you're going to retrieve this is by swiping down like this, and the chat is going to pop up right here. And then when you swipe here, you tap on pin, and you're going to see your archived chats right here. So that is basically very cool. If you want to just send your chats back to your chat pages, you swipe to the left and then you tap on archive, and then you're going to get your chats popped up right here. And that is basically very cool. What I want to share with you is chat folders. So chat folders allows you to assemble the people you have on your chat list. So let's say when you want to get a chat folder, what you're going to do is you're going to go to your settings, and then you see this side right here, you're going to tap on chat folder, and then you hit here and then you create a chat folder. So let's say family, you're going to put people right here who are your family people, and then you tap on this side to add the chats, and then you scroll down through like this to check your family, and then you just add them. So when you finish, you click on done, and then you are good. So you're going to see people who are your family members right here, and probably maybe you can exclude some people you feel like you don't want to add them to your family chat folder. And then when you are done, you tap on create, and then you are good. So you're going to go back to your home screen and you go to your chats, and you're going to see all your chats right here, and you see your family right here. So in case maybe you want to chat with your family people, you tap on this section, you're going to see all your family people right here. And then when you scroll back like this, you're also going to see all your chat members right here. So you can do it to a lot of folders you feel like you want. Probably you can do it for family, friends, workers, or something. Any way you feel like you want it is going to be very ideal. Probably maybe you can put in all your groups in a folder too. That is going to make it more assembled, and then you are not going to get groups and then normal chats conflicting on your chats page. And I think that is a great feature I think WhatsApp need to introduce in order to just make things work like how Telegram is doing things. And if you like it, just state in the comment section that this feature is very great and you really want it on WhatsApp. They probably might be watching this video. So the next feature I want to share with you is live stream, and I'm going to do an in-depth video on how you're going to be able to just live stream very well on 2 devices. Probably maybe when you have another device in your hands, or maybe when you're trying to live stream for people to see. I'm going to do another in-depth video, so you stick around so that you don't miss that video. So in case maybe you want to live stream, what you're going to do is you're going to create a channel, and when you create the channel, you're going to tap on the channel like this one I have, and then you're going to go to the profile of your channel, and then when you go to your profile of the channel, you're going to see live stream right here. You tap on live stream, and then you can start a live stream, and you are good. You can either schedule it or start, and then how you want your name to be displayed to, you're going to be able to just choose how you want your name to be displayed. So what we want to do is we are going to start a live stream right here. When you tap on the live stream, it's going to ask you if you want to just do it in a video form or probably maybe just an audio form. So right now, when you tap on the video form like this, you see it has asked you if you want your front camera or your back camera. So let's say I choose my front camera like this, and I tap on continue, and it's gonna start the live stream right away. So you have a lot of people who are going to be able to just join this live stream, about 1,000 people who are going to be able to just join this live stream, and that is very great. And what makes it very cool is you can even share your screen you have here whilst you're live streaming with people. And like I said, I'm going to do an in-depth video to show you how you're going to do all these things, because I just want to outline the features right here for you guys in this video. So this is how live stream works, and I think this is one thing WhatsApp needs to do, and probably make WhatsApp a very great app for people to also enjoy whatever feature people are enjoying on Telegram too. So another thing I think it's going to be very helpful if WhatsApp introduces it to their messaging app is the cloud storage. So when you want to see your cloud storage, what you're going to do is you're going to go to your settings like this, and then you're going to see saved messages right here. When you tap on save messages, you are entitled to just send any file or any message right here, and it's going to save it right away. So when it saves it, and you probably log in your Telegram on your laptop, you're going to be able to just retrieve any message you save right here or any file you send through from here. And I think that is very cool. WhatsApp doesn't allow that. In case maybe you just want to get a cloud message, or you probably want to save something on a cloud, you can do it on WhatsApp. So if WhatsApp is able to introduce that feature, it's going to be very helpful for us to just enjoy it too. And we thank Telegram for doing this great job. And if you like this feature too, just state in the comments and let me know how best this feature also works for you. So the next thing that makes Telegram very best or very cool is scheduled messages. So let's say I want to send a message in this group, and I go here and I type in whatever I want to type, yo bro. So when I type in yo bro and I just want to send a scheduled message right here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to press hold on this send button. And when I press hold on this send button, I'm going to see right here that we have schedule message. So I'm going to be able to just change the time I want this message to go through to the person at any time. And after I'm done, I'm just going to tap on send like this, and the message is going to be here as a scheduled message. So as soon as the time I've set reaches, it's going to just send the message right away. I think that is basically very, very cool. It's one of the niftiest features I've seen on this chat message or messaging app that WhatsApp lacks. And I think if WhatsApp is able to just make things work like that, it's going to make their users enjoy it. Because I actually didn't know Telegram had a lot of great features until I tried to sit down and then watch two things and then got to know it really has great features. So with this feature, I think it's going to be very ideal if WhatsApp do implement it, and it's going to make things very, very well. So if you like this feature, just state in the comment section and let me know how helpful this feature is. Final thing I want to share with you is called video messages. So with WhatsApp, you're entitled to just get voice notes by pressing and then scrolling up like this to record your voice notes, and that is basically very cool. Telegram do have the same thing too, but it has a great feature which is super cool that you're gonna love. So with this, instead of you sending a voice note like this, you can send a video message. So when you want to send your video message, what you need to do is, you see this microphone right here, you tap on it once and you're going to see this camera right here. So you press hold on the camera like this and you're going to be able to record your video. So you can see this circle, the line right here. If the line reaches anywhere you feel like you want it to reach, or anywhere you feel like you're satisfied, or when it gets here, it's going to stop. So anywhere or however you want to record your video, you can just make the line go, and after you are done, you leave it and then it's going to send right away. So you can see right here, you're going to be able to just send your video right away from there, and that is basically very, very cool. So it's pretty much one of the greatest features I've seen so far on Telegram, that I think if WhatsApp is able to just make it work on their device, it's going to be very helpful. Other than that, Telegram wins still. I hope this video was very helpful, and if it was, just state in the comment section and then let me know which of the features you think is very, very helpful, and also the one you like best. You can check out this video right here too. It's going to help you to know more about Android 12, and also with this video too, it's going to help you know about iOS 15. And without further ado, I'm just going to catch you in the next video. Peace.